Now that's how it starts and that's how it finishes. This is a part from a respiratory device, and what I would consider as a fairly simple part to manufacture, yet you're using a machine, a Bumotec machine, which is highly capable, but it just demonstrates something else, doesn't it, from Starrag?
I think it demonstrates thinking outside the box. You know, the client comes to us with a challenge. They're relatively simple to look at, but the features within the bores are quite demanding and complicated, very high surface finishes and accuracies. But what's really the crux to this solution is the automation. We're able to take a 181 machine, reconfigure it with some clever fixturing and clever automation so that we can produce these parts very, very effectively, cost effectively, as well as accurately, automated.
Now there's still two sides, so you're still using both spindles, aren't you? You're still doing a first operation and a second operation on this. Talk us through maybe those operations.
We are. We've slightly reconfigured the machine from its standard variant for this operation, but the first sequence is to hold the component, as you can see, in a special work holding device and reach all of these features, including the front and back faces and underneath. And then we're taking the component out of this device and finishing it on the second work holding device, and then transferring it into an automated system to take the components away.
I'm going to try and compare how it used to have been done, or it would have been done, because there's a lot of often challenges with machining castings and parts in casting with different angles. A lot's gone into this from a creativity perspective from the Starrag group, isn't it?
Well, if you hold a part once, especially if it's a cast part, and do all the machining, you're then taking all the setup risk away as well as the setup time, and you're able to run this machine 24/7. So this is a complete unmanned process now. Probably this would have been made on 2 or 3 different machines, different setups before.